who made it.
Alright, so told y'all I was gonna let y'all what was gonna happen. Told y'all I was gonna let y'all know what happened in the next video. It's coming back from a ride with my boy Pride. Like I said, we barely made it home. However, I made it home, barely. So what happened was the clutch stopped disengaging. It stopped disengaging altogether. I did test it again last night, and it cooled. After the bike cooled off, and it started working again. So what it is, hydraulic clutch, or what I think it is, it's hydraulic clutch fluid that hasn't been changed in a long time, if forever. It just need to be flushed. So I know in 2017 there was a recall on them clutch master cylinders for these bikes, but I'm not gonna jump to conclusions. I'm gonna check the fluid and shit first, and then if the fluid ain't it, then we're gonna take it to the dealership and they gonna fix it under recall, ESP something. Alright, we turn this shit off, man. I feel like it just be moving hot ass air anyway. So, where were we when I left off? Oh well, first of all, I was on a different camera, and that's why I like shooting on my iPhone, but I don't. I do, but I don't. Cause it be taking up room, even though I can delete it, etc., etc. But you get the deal. All right, so like I was telling y'all, well, hold on before we get started. Had a great day at work today. Got a pack of them things and some .4 brake fluid. Why would you have some .4 brake fluid, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. So, this year, 2017, Harley Davidson runs off of, if you can read it there, let me know. If you can read it, let me know. .4 fluid. Use only .4 fluid from a sealed container. So that's exactly what we got here. .4 is DOT standard right here. Pressed on a little bit higher. But yeah, man, like I told y'all, this ain't 50,000 mile fluid life. So technically, I shouldn't have to change again to 100,000 miles. But if you know, you know. If you know, you know. So I was just curious as to how this fluid looks, how dirty it is. So I'm gonna go on and take a peek at that shit, and I'll cut y'all back on when I get it off. Alright, so what I did was I added a little bit of fluid, just kind of topped it off. clutch. It seemed to be better. It seemed better than it was before. So it seems to be a little bit better. I don't know if the fluid was just low. Being that the clutch system is it's like a cooling system minus, or I won't say it's like a cooling system. It's like the brake. The clutch system, the hydraulic clutch system is like a brake system. So you're not supposed to be losing fluid. Fluid doesn't get burnt up, but it does get the, what you calling it, the moisture. So what I'm gonna do is, when I go to work tomorrow, I'm gonna order a moisture tester for brake fluid that I seen another motorcycle YouTuber use, and I'm gonna test that fluid and see exactly how much moisture is in it, and if it's bad like I suspect, then we'll just end up flushing it. In order to flush it, it says there's these two screws right there. Mine are covered. Whoever had my bike before me, I did put the little covers over everything, so it wasn't screwed. So I'm gonna have to take those off, remove that cover, and we're gonna have to bleed it. We'll flush it and then bleed it, and then we'll see what happens from there. And then if it happens again, I'm gonna end up just, cause I know there was a recall, and I don't know if the bike was serviced for the recall based off the service record. So if it gives me an issue after that, then we'll definitely have it covered under the recall or whatever. So we'll just take it one step at a time, see what happened, and go from there. So make sure hit that like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned and see what happened next. The next video, like I said, I have the moisture tester. We'll see exactly how much moisture is in that clutch fluid, and we'll go from there. Probably go ahead and check the brake fluid as well, just to make sure that it's good as well, because two things that you definitely don't want failing on your bike is you don't want your clutch failing. You don't want your clutch failing if you have you don't want your clutch failing if you have a hydraulic clutch, and you don't want your brakes failing just because you ain't changing fluid. So that's what we'll get into next time. So appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'll see y'all in the next one.